Hey everybody, this is Mr. Shri. I'm just leaving for Pune Foursquare Day. There's no power in Pune and it's raining, so I don't know what's gonna happen tonight. But we have the challenge on and we want to earn the Swarm badge. Recording. Chamaila, what do you think of Foursquare Day?
Sorry?
What do you think of Foursquare Day?
Foursquare Day has been a huge success because especially it was a great choice of venue because that way we got to check in from 2 different places. We went to the first place and then we went to the default social media place which is good on the
I don't know what is Foursquare.
You don't know what is Foursquare? Okay,
I don't know what is Foursquare Day do. I don't know.
What about you?
I just signed up today.
What did you do?
Sign up?
Sign up. Okay. What did you do?
I saw that I came actually. I know what is Foursquare. I've known for quite a while, but I signed up today. Yeah, same here. I mean, I know what Foursquare does, but I've never used it. Because of him. Because of him. It's him. It's him.
Sahil.
What did I do?
What did you do? Anyways, you
Sign up for Foursquare.
I never what?
You said today after that. What did I do today?
Nikhil, don't get into the frame. Nikhil, just leave.
That is Sahil.
Okay. Yes. Hi, Sahil.
This is RJ Shrikant. RJ Shrikant is married. RJ Shrikant of video
And he was not there for the Foursquare Day, right?
Yes, shame. Bichara was
On the IPL?
IPL के score. Samurai Puni. Wait to away. Which is back. Samurai back here. Gauri, please have it off again.
Okay.
With Rohit.
Okay, Rohit, what's your ID?
My Ankit Khandelwal.
Khandelwal. Alright. What do you think about
ID? It will be Rohit 11.
Okay, what do you think
Underscore Rohit 11. Rohit 11 and underscore.
Okay, drunk people, what do you think about Foursquare Day?
Rocks. We loved it.
We had fun like anything. We had fun.
इनके भी
ये क्या था कभी मतलब
Inkvi, we call him Inkvi.
Yes sir. Report.
What do you think about Foursquare Day?
Foursquare Day was okay. We did not do a super swarm today because we didn't challenge NYC. Next year, let's see. Unexpected Twitter was fun. Yes, fun. So the actual swarm is happening here, and that's.
What are you wearing?
I am wearing the team badge, the organization team badge, which is what you created and what you are wearing.
All right. Okay. Thanks.
You can never trust this.
What do you think about Foursquare Day?
It was fun. Nice to meet people.
And what do you think about the team who organized it?
Fantastic. Superstars.
Yeah, I'm shooting it. I know it. How do you check in?
Check in where?
Is he drunk? Okay, never mind.
E71. Yeah.
Mr. Sandarpi.
Come down. Yeah, come down.
Come up. What do you think about the Swarm Challenge today?
Oh, we won it.
Yeah. I mean, that's a big deal, right?
No, it wasn't like, this is the first time in India, okay, somebody in Pune won the Swarm Challenge.
Awesome.
And Pune rocked. Yeah, and Pune
not
rocked.
Bombay, not Chennai, not Madras.
Cheers to all.
Cheers.
Mumbai Social Media Club.
Mumbai Indians.
Who's from Mumbai?
Nobody. Social media क्या फायदा हुआ? क्या फायदा इतना बोलते?
Why is scared?
Sensitive Mr. Ponytail guy is from Mumbai.
अबे तो मेरे पे तोप कैसे आ गई अचानक?
This what do you call that?
Married RJ Singh.
Married
Who's got a samurai pony?
All he checks in is from the Pune station, and
He's the mayor of Pune station.
he was too busy to
Yes,
check
the
in.
mayor of Pune station is here. अब हर 2 दिन लेके गौरी को छोड़ेगा तो क्या होगा? बंद
Thanks,
कर,
man.
बंद कर. No, I'm swab. Go.
No, I don't think I'm drunk enough. Where you got lost, man?
Give him a drink.
Where you got lost?